In this video, I'm going to show you how to track Sugargoo package. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sugargoo, you want to hover over your account profile icon up top right, and then you want to click on My Orders. When you do this over here, you'll see your current orders, and of course the ones that are currently in the process of arrival, and then you will also see your tracking numbers next to those orders. Okay, so there's going to be like a long number, and that is going to be a tracking number. Now, of course, whenever you order, you will also receive that very likely to your email as well. So the email you use to sign in to your Sugargoo account, and then you want to use that number, you want to copy your tracking number, and you want to go to a website like 17track.net or something similar. There's a few websites which can do this, and then you can just basically go in here and you want to just enter in your tracking number or more if you have multiple, as you can see, one per line. And after that, just click on track over here, and hopefully if that info is available, you'll be able to see your current package and basically track it. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.